Welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Guys, today D Dawn is back in the kitchen. And what will we be doing? What will she doing? Creamy, garlic, honey, ginger, chicken breast. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, hi, if you are new here, welcome. And to all my supporter, YouTuber, and subscriber, a big warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. So, let's get started. 2 pounds of chicken breast. And the chicken breast, it have no skin. If you buy the one with the skin, just remove the skin. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, sweet honey, and 2 teaspoons of ginger juice. Also 3 cloves of garlic. 1 cup of milk. This is the almond milk. And 1 teaspoon of corn starch. I make a video on the green herb. So today I'm using some green herb to season the chicken breast. You can look on my video to see how it was done. I already did a video on it. Also, some cheese, a slice of Tasty's cheese, and some salt. My green seasoning, I'm putting 1 spoon of it. If you don't have the ginger juice, you can use a natural ginger. I'm not so much of a salt person. The garlic powder. And you're just gonna rub this up. The chicken breast is a bit thick, so what you can do, you can open it in 2. If you want to open it, just cut them, slice them in 2. Also, I'm using some sazon powder, 1 teaspoon of sazon powder. This is sazon powder. And you're gonna cover the chicken breast and let it marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight. Overnight is even better. In the meantime, our chicken is marinating. You just wanna stamp on the garlic. When you do this, it helps it to remove from the skin very easy, just like that. Okay, 2 hours now, and you're just gonna put the oil in. Just a little oil. And you're just gonna give each side 6 minutes. 6 minutes on one side and 6 minutes on the next side. 6 minutes gone, so we're gonna flip these over on the other side. Beautiful people, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. So when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. And share this video with a friend, a friend of a friend, a friend of a friend. So now we're going to cover and give it 6 more minutes on this side. 1 teaspoon of the cornstarch. I pour some honey. Some ginger juice. Garlic powder. And some of the milk. And you're just gonna mix this up. The garlic, I'm compressing the garlic. If you don't have the compressor, just chop the garlic as fine as possible. I'm just gonna mix it up. And the cheese. I need this to eat. So it's 12 minutes now. Remember I told you 6 minutes on one side and 6 minutes on the other side. So with the rest of the milk, I'm just going to add it to the sauce. Mix the sauce around, and we're going to pour this over on the chicken. So within half an hour, as I told you, so this is 12 minutes. So we need just about 18 more minutes. So you just want to flip them over. So just cover and let it simmer for the next 18 minutes. So we have 3 minutes left, so now we will be adding the cheese. We're going to cover back the pot and let it simmer for the next 3 minutes. And remember, you just have to keep the fire on a low heat. You don't want the fire too much. So turn the fire down low, just like that. OMG, look at this, beautiful people. I'm telling you, my nose, the aroma. So now our garlic, honey, ginger, creamy chicken breast is now ready. And oh, you know it is ready when you insert the fork and it go from one side to the other. It's even tearing apart, you see? Yeah, and within 30 minutes, as I told you, 30 minutes, and it's all done. And look how creamy it is looking. Look at the juices, how creamy it is, guys. Wow. It's so creamy. You see that? So it is ready. So we're going to turn the fire off and move on to the next step. So guys, now our creamy garlic, honey, and ginger. Chicken is ready. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? I think you should give it a try. I'm hungry, I'm starving for the chicken. So guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Keep safe. Until next time, I see you on my next video. Bye for now.